deep in the mountains of central Idaho, there is a trail that is widely considered to be one of the most dangerous in the whole state. Idaho is pretty well known for its intense single track, but once you begin this trail, there's really no room for mistakes. There's only one way in and one way out, and going both directions, you'll be riding on the edge. To find this remote trail, I spent 2 days driving in the mountains, chasing GPS files and following treacherous dirt roads in hopes that I'd be able to find the trailhead. But I think it's better that way. I think this trail is better left hard to find, because I think the high-risk nature of this trail should not be taken lightly. Make sure to give this video a watch to the very end, because I think this is one of the most intense rides I've ever done from start to finish. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and with that, welcome to one of the deadliest single-track trails in the state of Idaho.
Alright, I gotta admit, trying to turn my bike around sucked. It took me like 10 minutes to do it. Not really, I'm just complaining. Alright, let's go finish the rest of this trail, because I got a few hours to get back to my house, and it took me like 3 hours to drive here. So yeah, think about that, guys. I drove like, well, I mean, hell, I was looking for this trail for 2 days, but I drove today a few hours just to do this trail that's going to take me an hour to do. That's how much I wanted to do it. Man, I gotta catch my breath. Woo! That was tough. It's stuff like this that you have to be like so careful on, because one bad bump and you're just toast. Like that. Almost had a little bit too much speed going into that tiny little corner. I'm interested to see like how much different it is going back this trail than it was going forward. Like, I wonder if it's particularly more difficult or whether it's going to be easier. I feel like it's going to be harder, but I don't know. We're going to find out. Oh, this was the spot that I thought was going to be kind of tough. Oh, that wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, see, it's like sliding almost off the edge. There we go. I'm going a little bit slower, it's only because I can't really see so good. fun. Wicked cool. Freaking rock. I'm stuck. There, I think I got it. Need that. Yeah, baby. We're in business. It's funny, every time I go through like a technical section like that, I'm always reminded how heavy my bike is. Like granted, for a dual sport, the power to weight ratio on this thing is insane. But it's still a heavy bike, just a lot of power. Heavy bike, a lot of power. Oh, this is a nice shady spot. Alright, goggles going back on. Whew, I sound like a out of shape dude. I'm panting. I need some water. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, this is officially the sketchiest part of the trail, and I'm fully puckered up on this one, that's for sure, because that would suck to go down that way. So I'm going to take my time on this section, try and stay kind of close to the wall. Ooh, the rocks are a little bit slippery. Nice, solid. Yeah, I think I can pretty confidently say that going back is the harder of the two ways. Ironically, I enjoyed it more though. Though I think I always like a bit of a challenge. Hey, look at that. There's the end of the trail. Holy cow, I made it, you guys. That officially scratches off my bucket list of riding one of the sketchiest trails in North America. Alright, you guys, I'm probably going to wrap the video up here. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. It definitely was a challenge from start to finish. I'm really glad that I finally got the chance to do it. You know, obviously it's fall, snow is going to be coming soon, so I'm really glad I got this one in before winter really kicked in. So do me a favor, the best way to support my channel is to like this video, and if you do like this video and you want to see more content kind of like this, definitely definitely subscribe. That helps me out a lot. And hopefully, I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios, guys.